I bet she'd fall on her ass. That's why I'm telling her.
Wait, what do you even bet on this?
I don't know. Just go. I want to see someone fall.
I'm not gonna fall.
Run. Okay. Watch, I'm the one that slips. Bust my ass. Oh, that'd be my luck. Okay, this ain't too bad. It's just like, it's crunchy. Do you have heels on?
No, I got no boots.
That's close enough. It has a heel. You're leaving really weird looking footprints. Okay. Where are we going?
Dude, those ducks are vicious.
Where's ducks?
They're creepy duck things over here.
Are they still? Oh my God, they're still over there. Whoa, shit. Holy shit. Run for your life.
God.
All right, I'm gonna bring them your way. This is where you.
No. This is all your idea.
This is your genius idea?
Well, now you got him cornered.
Yeah.
You got him cornered now. You got to finish the job. Oh no, he got away.
What are you doing? Don't fall in the water.
Wait, so why are y'all still up there?
Oh, we're making sure everyone's. Someone's got to supervise.
He's got a camcorder. He's got a supervise.
Well, I'm running a clinic. I'm trying to show them how to do it, but apparently I failed. Teaching us the American.
Christy, it's all blurry. Yeah, it's still blurry. Christy, it's blurry. Why is it blurry? Oh, there it goes. Ducky.
That's a cool looking duck. Leave him alone.
I know.
All right,
You
Lauren.
can get the girl.
She just came
Oh, to
from.
her?
Yeah.
Cool, leave her.
Duck egg.
Oh my God, it's a giant ball.
It's
Why
a
is this?
medicine ball.
It's a giant medicine ball in the snow. Yes.
That was not there 10 minutes ago.
Was it not?
No, it was, but.
That was fail.
Dude, look over there.
Holy shit. That looks really freaky. It's like like creepy glowing over there too. Oh fuck! Kick me with a ball. Oh, watch out! Where's the water? What are you talking about? Oh, that water.
Oh, it's still not like, thick enough.
What?
I would snowball fight with you guys, but this stuff is harder than a rock.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Yeah.
Ow!
My name is Oscar, by the way.
Hello. I'm Christy.
Nice to meet you, Christy.
Lauren.
Nice to meet you, Lauren.
And over yonder we have Michael. And Lester.
Mikey and Lester.
What's up?
Hello. The one in the PJ is Michael.
What's wrong with pajamas?
She's rocking PJ.
Well, when it's this cold out, you should have more than just pajamas on.
That's what I thought when I left home.
Yeah. Sorry about that. I guess the duck chase was sort of entertaining.
It kind